many videos on the YouTube that there are many people claiming that Febspot is more bigger than YouTube. Now you can earn more than $60 on the 1000 views, and then you can see the many videos in the about the Febspot. As you can see here, the Febspot earns up to $60 on 1000 views. Is it real or fake? So we can see here the many things. You can see Febspot earning trick मिल गई, जितने चाहो पैसे कमाओ, 100 भी कमा सकते हैं. There are many Pakistani YouTubers or many people that they are creating the videos that this is the big platform that you can earn a lot. So is that fake or real? You can see in this video with the proof, live proof. I will create the account on the Febspot, and then we post, and then we can do the practically that is it real or fake. So before we continue, if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new updates. So let's continue to the topic. So first thing, you type in the Google search bar Febspot and then hit enter. You can see the official link on the top. You click that one. Then here is the main dashboard of the Febspot, and then if we see here, you can see how much you could earn from the Febspot. And then if we click this one, and then if we refer the many people, and then you can see here the annual income is 3,900. If we put the 1000 views, for example, you can see here, if you get the 1000 views, select the number of views, videos plus ads, and then you have to refer the 100 people. After that you can earn the $60. And then here you can see the drive revenue. The $10 is minimum payout, the $10 is video monetization, ads plus 0.02 invite friends. That one is the earning you if you want to refer the friends. There are many things that you can read here on the Febspot. So without wasting time, we just sign up first. In the sign up, they are asking you email, username and password, and then password confirmation. So firstly we just register. For example, I just give my email, and then type also the same username, and then password confirmation. Then I agree, and then click the I'm not a robot, and then click save. So here are the main dashboard that we created already, the account on the Febspot. Then you can click your icon, and then personal area or settings. First thing, we need to create the channel, so we can add any profile picture. For example, I just put the Khan, then type your age, then click your gender and save. Only image file are supported, so they are not supporting the Imran Khan, so we change the picture. So our profile is already created account. Now we click the channel settings. About channel, I just type here funny videos, then click save. Then security setting, you need to change password, email or two factor. Then wallet setting is you can take the payout cards, PayPal, bank account here easily. So the main thing is we just click the personal area. Here you can see the balance, subscriber and total referral, and then you can add the video. So here is the video management, that you cannot upload the sexual content or adult content or plus 18. So you need to upload the good videos on this platform. So we click the upload. For example, I just find any video. So while it's uploading, you can put the any title. So that is the method that you can upload the video on the Febspot. So we are now coming to the reality. Before 1 week, I already created another account on the Febspot, and then here is the example. I uploaded the 2 videos, and here you can find the views and then the subscriber. I gained just 2 subscribers, and then here you can find out that 17 views on 1 video, and here you can find the 2 videos. So this one I just listened in the few videos that you can gain 1 view $1. That is fully fake. There are people just making you mislead. There are no any truth on this thing. You can see front of you, that is the 100% live demo that I created the account, and then you can see here the front of you the views, and then you can see also the advertiser revenue. Even 1 cent I not earned on the 17 views. There are many videos I saw that they are claiming that you can earn on 1 video, and then they are not showing any proof, but this one is the proof. Last week I created this account. So Febspot is fully fake. So you work proper on the YouTube or Facebook or other platforms better than this. You are wasting your time on the Febspot. That is my observation on all this Febspot. So hope this video is going to helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new updates. So let's see you in the next video with the new updates. Thank you.